Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build bricks in Minecraft. Bricks are a fantastic and versatile building material, perfect for adding a touch of classic architecture to your creations. We'll cover everything from finding the raw materials to crafting the finished blocks and incorporating them into your structures. Get ready to transform your builds with the timeless appeal of brickwork, adding both durability and a charming aesthetic to your world. To begin your brickmaking journey, you'll need to gather clay. Clay blocks are commonly found at the bottom of bodies of water, such as rivers, lakes, and even shallow ocean areas. Equip a shovel for the most efficient mining. Each clay block you break will drop 4 individual clay balls, which are the essential raw material for our bricks. Collect a good supply to ensure you have enough for your building projects. Once you have your clay balls, the next step is to smelt them. Place your clay balls into a furnace with some fuel, and they will transform into individual brick items. After smelting, open your crafting table. Arrange 4 of these brick items in a 2x2 square within the crafting grid. This simple recipe will yield 1 complete brick block, ready for construction. Repeat this process to create as many brick blocks as you need. Now that you have your brick blocks, the creative possibilities are endless. Bricks are perfect for constructing sturdy walls, elegant chimneys, and charming pathways. Don't hesitate to combine them with other materials like wood or stone to create visually interesting and varied textures in your builds. Remember, you can also craft brick stairs and brick slabs, allowing for even more intricate and detailed architectural designs. Let your imagination guide you to build amazing structures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.